Dallas School of Flower Design. Final day of class. The final project, as always, is to do a wedding. But here is their second to final project, vase flowers. Done perfectly. Here is their school in Dallas. Here's some of his pieces. Like I said, very high-end, salon-looking formula. State your name, full name.
Michelle Garrett.
So pick up your wedding bouquets. Tell me about them.
This is the...
Look how pretty. I tell them their work is prettier than all the florists I know in LA and New York. We're doing it for 10 years. This is exquisite. Spin that around, your centerpiece. And then pick up this one. So she did a collection.
This is the toss bouquet.
Now put them all together in one shot. There's her wedding. How hard was it to do?
I don't know.
You're a good student. You listen and you follow.
I did.
She attacks her designs and it's Jetty's pace. How do you explain you're this good in such a short time? Spin that around. It's a masterpiece. He grouped his flowers. See them? All rose together, all lilies, roses together. He said it looks like a very high-end event in New York City. And let me see your bouquet. Pretty as can be. How hard was class this week?
I enjoyed the class. I would say there's some challenge, but I like challenges. Mm-hmm. And
he's sort of a whiz kid. Over here, who do we have?
Elizabeth Naylor.
Where are you from?
Dallas.
And tell us how you pulled off these exquisite pieces.
By paying attention.
Paying attention, yes. You as a class, listen very well this week. Pick that one up. Look how pretty, how chic.
It was so fun.
I said better than all the designers in LA. Here's your vase piece, which is very nice. Give that a spin. The most sold, old school, yes, but the most sold arrangement in America. And then she did this masterpiece. Give that a spin. For her big finale, her centerpiece at the Plaza Hotel on Central Park South. Gorgeous. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Pick up your bridal bouquet. One of my favorite bridal bouquets of the last 6 months. Look at that. Chic, simple, like a poem. How hard was that to do?
Just thank
It was
you.
hard to get started, and then shabam!
Absolutely.
Spectacular. It doesn't. This one doesn't photograph. You should see it in real life. It looks like a tapestry. And then spin your big one around. Here's her her centerpiece. That's rice flower, by the way, in case you're wondering. Roses, berries, hydrangeas, limonium, wax flower, which is that one right there. There's a little more wax flower right there. Are you happy?
Oh man, extremely. I had no idea what I just did right now, but thank you for allowing us to come here and...
You made a comment today, which you said you get in your car and you go home and you say you can't believe that you did this, something like that?
Yes, I can't believe I did this, or I don't even know what happened, but I love every second of it.
I told her that's how I feel 30 years later. I go to work, I think, I can't believe I'm a designer, and I can't believe I'm designing flowers. I never even thought of it. And now look at what you're doing. I said,
Well, thank you for sharing.
had you done flowers before?
No,
Oh, Jesus.
but I love them. And now
This is my competition. That's what I'm thinking now.
whatever, you'll be my hero.
So what is your full name?
Vashti Torres.
And what are you going to do with your talent? Oh, we don't know yet. We were talking about she's got children still growing. And we talked about it. I said, you're going to get a card made. You're going to hand it out. And she's going to draw some easy, light weddings. But you're going to draw light weddings. You're going to do them out of your home. And you'll be fine.
Exactly.
Do you drive a car?
I do.
That's all you need. If you need a bigger one, you go rent a van for $19.99 a day.
I will.
And you begin your career. Everybody starts somewhere. Like me, the truck driver from Milwaukee.
Excellent.
So beautiful. Congratulations. She's a darling. And you're so sunshiny and bright. People are going to love you.